Let's take a look at the tread type categories when it comes to tires. There are summer, all season, all weather, and winter tires. These tires are designed to provide varying performance during specific weather conditions. Summer tires are designed to be driven in wet and dry conditions when temperatures are warmer. What happens when used in colder conditions? The rubber compound in the tire will harden, causing the vehicle to lose traction, but it can also damage the compound by causing premature cracking. It is dangerous to use in colder temperatures and strongly suggested to change over to winter tires at the start of the cold season. All-season tires are designed to handle wet, dry, and colder temperatures, 7 degrees Celsius or higher. Below 7 degrees, these tires' rubber compound will harden, causing the vehicle to lose traction. It is strongly recommended to change over to winter tires at the start of the season to handle the cold winter conditions. The introduction of all-weather tires are fairly recent in the market. This tire complements all 4 seasons, however, is limited in its performance with snow and ice. Unlike the all-season, all-weather tires can handle temperatures below 7 degrees Celsius. However, they are not designed to handle extreme winter conditions. This tire can be a good solution to a consumer that cannot afford 2 sets of tires, nor perhaps to someone who does not drive in snowy, icy conditions in the winter months. Winter tires are designed to handle wet, cold, snowy, and icy conditions during the winter, providing optimal traction because the elasticity of the rubber compound decreases at lower temperatures. It is not recommended to use these tires other than in winter, when temperatures go above 7 degrees Celsius. The softer compound will wear out quickly. Emergency maneuvers are compromised, as well as a very long braking distance on warm, wet pavement. A 3-peak mountain snowflake is the symbol or marking found on the sidewall, indicating it is an approved winter tire. Now that we have reviewed the tire categories, let's dive deeper into the Winter Tires Generic Information and Benefits module on NTD Academy.